Welcome, Sigma, to the 0.01%.
Back on NASDAQ on the 5-minute. And we're going to go over the Sigma Renko band engine. So what we did was, in the previous video, we went over what is Renko, how to use it, you know, going over there and changing it to Renko, right? So just for sake purposes, we changed it over to Renko. You can see what it looks like now. So what we did is to give a more reliable source of information to how to use Renko. We made an indicator that plots the Renko bricks up in real time. It is a free indicator. You can go over to TradingView, and the link is actually going to be in the description, and add it to your chart. Okay, just favorite it, go into your indicators, and you can see my favorites. And once you when you click on it, it will be there. So the indicator is called the Sigma Renko band engine. So I already have it on my chart here. And we do have a consensus. You type in agree in all lowercase. All of our indicators have this. So you can see here plotted on the chart, and we're getting Renko simulation up in real time overlaid on the price. Why is this important? Because you get to still see your price action comfortably and use Renko to stay in the trend longer. So these bricks are plotting in real time. There's a lot of not good Renko emulators out there that don't plot in real time. You can't use them in replay mode. This one you can use in replay mode comfortably, and it will also tell you if a single candle right here, two, and there's a setting in there where you can change it. Will show you if one candle has created multiple bricks. So if I have my brick settings to 20 and this one candle is telling me that it made 2, so this means that this candle hit a range of above 40 points. Boom, it would tell me this one candle hit above 2 brick sizes and it created 2 bricks. So you play it in real time, you can see it's plotting in real time. All right, helping you stay in these trends. So this way, that in the past video we went over that you get a delayed reaction from Renko charts sometimes before it even alerts you to get out of a trade, trend direction, etc., etc. You can see here this indicator is plotting in real time. So this is a proprietary Renko engine. We're aiming to make it the #1 on TradingView. So if you can go and like the indicator, the link is in the description. Drop a comment inside of it and let us know how we did and if this is useful to you, or if you have any suggestions or updates that you would like to see in this indicator. So let's just let me actually replay it one more time to this so you guys can see it also work to the downside. So you can see here, boom, boom, and you can see you got the arrow down, and then it lets you know that you got a down candle, and it starts plotting that down candle, that down brick in real time. All right, and you can see where it turns gray as well. We'll go over that in a second. So we go into the settings here. We got our table. All right, in the table you can change if you want the band threshold labels. We have the high, lows, and threshold labels to plot it for you as well. The white background, black background of the table itself, transparent white, transparent black. You can change that. Size, small, auto, tiny, huge, and this is referring to here. So if I want it huge, it's going to look really big on my chart. All right, so I just have it on small. And you have the similar settings in which you will have in the regular one, right? You have your traditional ATR or we added percentage. So if you're someone that trades crypto and stuff like that, or stocks, and you want to use percentage, you can do that. Source, we have close and high and low. So this means that these bricks are being painted by the close. If I change this to high and low, this is going to change, and you can actually get faster Renko brick production from breaks of highs and lows. All right. So this is a game changer. If you're using traditional or percentage, you'll just type it in here. Okay. If you're choosing to use the ATR length will be plotted in here. You can see that changing dramatically. I'm using the 14. If I change it to 50, it's using past 50 candles to measure the ATR, thus giving me new Renkos. Okay. Now, show volume bricks, minimum 2. If you highlight over here, volume bricks underlines candles that constitute more than minimum bricks in one direction. We went over that before. So minimum brick amount is 2. You can see these 2s, 2s, 2s. This means that these candles are producing a minimum of 2 bricks in one candle, one price movement. 3. This made 3 Renko bricks in one direction with this candle, right? So this candle moved. I'm using the ATR. So if I change it to traditional, right? 2. I'm using traditional 20. So if I go here, this candle from the top and bottom from this move made 40 points, right? So that's how that works. It created 2 bricks, right? Renko chop filter. You can see where it goes green and then you have the gray. So the brick, you have the Renko chop filter, you turn that off, this will turn into a purple, a down Renko brick. The chop filter is meant to, you don't get faked out. So we got the green and it went down, which created a new brick. It would have to go down another one in order for it to turn purple. So you get that confirmed trend change versus just jumping in accordingly. So if I change this to 2, it's going to need 2 bricks in order to get into the right trend again. So this is how you can get into pullbacks, this is how you get into continuations, etc., etc. So before the new brick, before the new trend change, and you have the chop filter on, it will have to meet that minimum requirement to do so. So we got bullish updates, bearish updates, trend change, and volume bricks. Alerts, you select these and you can add an alert. Boom, do this. Yep, add an alert, and then any alert function call, create, and then you'll be alerted when there's a new trend change, volume bricks, etc., etc. I hope that you guys like this indicator and it helps you a lot. If it will help us a lot if you can go down, like the indicator, share it with your friends, drop comments down below, let TradingView know that we're doing a good job to help the community, and I will see you guys in the next video.